Well, hello fellas, my name is Adit and this is Baduy. Baduy is one of 1340 ethnic groups in Indonesia located in Banten Province and Leuwidamar Districts. They are a group that far from globalization and socialization. That one particular fact is pretty odd in today's view. Now let's see the uniqueness. Unlike any other, there is one religion all people Baduy hold, and the name is Sunda Wiwitan. Sunda Wiwitan is a belief of ancestral spirit existence and a part of animism. Baduy is very close to nature. In order to keep their closeness with nature, they value many rules such as they are not able to use any kind of footwear, they are not allowed to use any electricity, and even some group of them make themselves used to traveling by their own feet, no matter how far it takes. They believe that if they nurture nature, it will nurture them too as well. When two Baduy people get married and decided to live together, many of Baduy people will help them to build a house. The shape and materials are very simple, such as bamboo and kirai tree. They value mutual cooperation and help each other. During the day, most of Baduy people will work as a farmer and a craftsman. Most of the craft that they produce is koja bag, woven fabric, trinkets, and many more. Baduy itself divided into two groups. There are Baduy Dalam and Baduy Luar. Baduy Dalam consists of group of people who still strictly with their belief and their custom. Baduy Luar is a group of people who are open with differences and welcome to the outsider. This time, some Baduy Luar using a footwear and a handphone. And most of tourists usually come to Baduy Luar because Baduy Dalam is so further to reach. It is about 7 until 9 kilometers to finally get step into Baduy Dalam. And isn't that easy to get into Baduy Dalam? Tourists are not allowed to bring a camera, phones, and many other electronics. So there were the uniqueness and characterism my Proudly area has. We are living side to side yet, and we can be different in many ways. So, when will you witness the beauty of Baduy?